Good morning. I wanted to come and do this video a little quick because the light keeps going out, in and out. It's one very gloomy day. At 8 in the morning it was very bright and then suddenly got dark. So I will do it now before it gets like more cloudy. This is what I got from the plum paper. I mentioned before that I did one last order for now and I want to share with you what it is. As you know, or if you don't know, I only order 6 months from the plum paper company because I wanted to get, sorry the noise, the planner and try and see how I feel with the disc option. And of course I'm loving a lot. So now I'm requested a second one and it comes again with the same. This is a plum paper cover material just to you to try it, and using this test before. It has plum paper, winter plum paper that tells you to go on the website on Instagram and put win plum paper with pictures of what you do on your plum paper, and if you are one of the winners they will send you no, they will not send you nothing. They will put the money back on your account for whatever you want. And here is more information from plum paper. For things, I already opened this, so I'm not pretending that is just opening, but I thought, okay, I will share. It will be a quick video, not a lot. Yes, I got more stickers, the ones that I was missing, and this is the budget sticker set. Let me put to one side here. It's because it has things that you don't see too often in other budget stickers. Well, at least in the ones that I got, that it has like for the paid house taxes or bills or something, then you have the gas, more bills, power, water, you know, and it has very nice items that I really think that I will be using more than the ones that I got on the Erin Condren one. Let me share. Budget one. These ones, by the way, came with my planner, but this is what I have for the stickers of the Erin Condren. It's like more like just little symbols and everything, when in this one I feel that you are getting more related to really the budget and not just like decoration, and I really like that because I can play. It's decoration, let's be clear, but I like that it has more options for me. So it comes 2 pages of the same, and then it comes these ones that you can use also to mark, like if you are doing just a complete area on your planner for the budget or something like that. And I like that this pay for, you know, and I use these strips on some of my decorations too. So I got one of these that will be the budget sticker. Another one that I got 2 sets. I opened one so you can see. This is the reflection, and I love this kind of items like grow out, family, health, learn. Then you have here books that it can be like when you're writing your journal or you are doing your planner or studying. It's so many uses. Then you have like energy level. Here will be like when you are taking a nap or relax. Naps are good sometimes. The other day I have to take one because I was not feeling good. Flowers are the best. The smells, they are, you know, I use a lot of these infusion oils to calm myself or relax. Be positive. Milestone. Music, I love to dance as part of my workout. Painting, I love to paint, and this can be for any sport. Finances, more here. Oh, a tea, why not? And look at this green tea. Money. Then you have here zone for achievements. I love that. Great, better, great, better. This can be nice. Mind over matter. I love that. And look at this. Oh, it's not so cute. That's something that sometimes I need. I've been having like a lot of stress at work, and this is something that I really was needing, some kind of relaxed things. Dream big, family, always growing, journal, more journal, self, keep going, always growing. And it comes already with 2 of these, and again these ones that I love to use as part of my decorations when I put something related to that. Hobbies, journal, read. These are the half moon that I use sometimes just to mark something. Seeing growth, needs improvement, goals, and the goals there. Work on, reflect. This is really cute. They are hearts. Reflect, work on. Here, reflect on. Today I feel, and I'll go repeating. Read, journal, and hobbies, goals. And this one it say checking in. More of the circles. Every day is a fresh start. Make yourself proud. Yes. Be positive. I like that. And more hearts here. So these are the 2 that I got, and I think I'm set, and if I need will be the ones that I finish. So let's go to the planner. So this is the 6 months that I was needing to complete my planner of a complete year, but it obviously goes more than that because it begins on October. The cover is the cover of the month. It comes, so this package comes also with a plastic cover protector. The cover of the month, I love the cover of the month. It's really cute. So when you get the cover of the month, you get a 10 or 15% off on your order. So that's good. And I got this one, and I think it's really cute. I think it's very spring related, and I will maybe switch the one that I have for this one and then put the other on summer. You don't see too much this, to be honest, but it's cute. And I think you can use the excuse of the covers to get the 10 or 15% off when you're doing new orders, and that's what I will do. I already took part of the papers that it were here because I will use on my planner. As I showed you before, at the beginning of my planner I have this, and I wanted to use for more because now I will have the extra ones. The one that has the month will be for birthdays because it's easy to just come here and check the birthdays, and sometimes you can add dates. And the next one will be for books, to keep track of all the books that I am reading. So, and then I put one clear paper that I will stick together with this so I can continue the other 6 months that I need on this other page. You know, I will glue together these 2 because it doesn't make sense have these. I already have that other page. After that, I have just the months like in the other planner, and I add also the fitness and the budget one. And to be honest, I'm using a lot the budget one, but not the fitness. But I'm learning in that way too. I ordered this before I began to finish the previous month, and I thought, oh, I will be using a lot, but I enjoy so much to do my fitness page. But I am sure that somebody else will enjoy having, like, I put fitness there. Sometimes I put fitness like under, so that's what is happening, and it's so easy when you are just in the page to keep marking. Bills is different because you really don't put the bills on your planner all the time, but I can keep the track of my bills, and I am doing that on my planner right now. So we have all the months in the same way, and I add, so we go until March with this planner. So this will be all the planner for March. I add extra stuff. This is add to do. Not because I really need, but I know that I always have something that I want to add to my planner. So I wanted these papers, pages, and everything to use in the future. So the to-do package, or this is like you can do just tap under the other months or just as a package. So I got the package that is all these papers that it's a to-do list. I think I am planning to use more in what is house cleaning. So it's just that simple. Then I got the notes ones because I use a lot of this kind of paper. I am always creating something for my planner, and you can request from 10 or more of these. I requested all these, and I am sure that I will be using, maybe not today, maybe in the future, but I did before with my Happy Planner too, and I use almost all of them. By the way, the paper of the Happy Planner is bigger than the plum paper, just for a tiny, but it's easy to cut. And this one is the graphic or grabs one. I wanted these ones for when I do my reviews of books. Is simple paper like that. And when you finish, of course, they put also the same that they put on every plum paper. It comes another notes that I actually will move to the other papers because I will use. It comes your contacts that I honestly don't use, but I maybe for work or something like that. Password that I think is no something that I want, and 2023 because you have 22 in the other that I just take away. And then you have folders that I honestly don't use, and then is of course the cover. So that's what I got. I think for now is my last order. It's coming my already they sent me a mail that say that my May subscription is sticker subscription is on the way. I love that. They always go ahead, and it kind of helps for the future to know what are you planning for, like the next month, what colors you want to use. I love that. So I'm happy with this, and like I said, I think this will be more like a summer thing. We will change the cover for now in that way. The planner will look for now in this way. That is just like having the extra papers. I will put a disc on these ones that I just got, so they are kept together, and I just will go adding and changing as I go. And that's all that I got. So we have the planner, we have these stickers that are the reflection, and we have the budget ones. So this is all. It's a short haul and nothing big, just trying to share what it was my last order and what I'm doing, and options, because the stickers I love to see, and I love when you can see very close what is in the stickers. I think it's really nice. I am very curious of stickers when I have, or when somebody show the stickers on the on videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.